Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Avantii, and in this video I am going to tell you why you should start a YouTube channel in this particular year. So let's get started. Basically I am going to give you guys 5 reasons why you should start a channel in this particular year in 2020. So let's begin. So guys, the first ever reason I find important to tell you is that you can follow your passion along with your work or along with earning money. See, if you like cooking, then you can start a cooking channel. If you like music, then you can start that also. If you like sports, then you can start a sports channel. And it's amazing that you can work along with your passion and no one will judge you here for that. Everyone will love your work if you are doing it with more love and respect towards it. Then you will find your people, you will get those who get your vibe and who get same passion as you. Then you will get those people. I am sure about that. So I will request you to start a YouTube channel out of your hobby. It can be anything and everything. We humans have so much of hobbies and we can follow everything on this platform. You can do anything and earn money out of that. And I find this reason is very important to start and to motivate yourself to start a YouTube channel. The second reason I find is you can earn money out of it. See, the pandemic situation is very tragic. Many businesses are in huge loss due to this situation going on in the world right now, and it can happen that we might lose our job till the end of the year, and it's better to have an alternate income source so that we will not get broke and we will have a stable income source to fulfill our needs and dreams as well. The third reason I find important is that there is no such investment involved in this platform. So if you are watching this video, then you must have an Android phone and a Google account as well. And that's it guys, that's it. You don't need anything else. You can buy a camera or something like that after a few months, after your income gets start. You can do all of that, but for now, for just starting, you don't need anything. You just need a phone. I'm shooting on my phone and I'm using my earphones for recording the voice. I don't have a mic, so I have not invested that much. I haven't invested in anything. I just bought a tripod on Amazon. That was a good deal. I got it for like $1,000, and I will link it in the description. You can check that out. Other than that, I have nothing. I've invested in nothing. So you can also start without investing a single penny and just start. So the fourth point and the most important point is that if you, for some reason, if you don't earn in the beginning or in the few months, then you will end up having so many skills in you that you will be proud of yourself. And if you don't earn here, you will get some other job due to those skills. And some of the skills are you will know how to act on a camera, how to talk on a camera, how to record a video, how to edit a video, how to upload a video, how to set up your studio for shooting, and lot more. Your communication skills will improve, your networking skills will improve, and that will help in the real world guys. If you, in the 1 year or in the few months, if you don't get that success you want, then you can try some other things with those skills, and that's quite good. And from March to now, August is going on, I find much like difference in me. My communication skills are far better than before. My editing skills are better. Everything is getting better day by day, and you will experience that too. And that's the main reason. Skills are important, money will follow. So just start guys. You situation. We have so much of free time as we are locked inside our houses. We cannot go out. We have much free time, and why not invest this time for our own good, for developing our skills, for earning money, for networking with people, and so much more. And YouTube is the platform, guys. You can start from here, and sky is the limit, guys. Just start. See, the reason behind shooting this video was just to motivate you guys that if I can do it, I can start a channel, you can start a channel also. And when I was starting a channel, I had a list of excuses and not to start. Why not to start a channel? And I don't want that you should do the same with yourself. And I'm here to motivate you that just start a channel. And if you found this video helpful, then please like this video and